Why manipulate Linux file timestamps from the CLI? Imagine you're working on a project and need your files to look like they were edited yesterday, even if you just made the changes today. Or maybe you're trying to hide some activity on your system. Manipulating Linux file timestamps from the command line can help you do all that and more. It's a powerful tool for managing files, testing scripts, or even for forensic analysis. Linux keeps track of 3 main times for each file: access time, which shows when the file was last opened; modification time, which records the last change made to the file's contents; and change time, which logs when the file's metadata was last altered. These timestamps are stored in the file system and can be viewed with commands like ls or stat. Changing these timestamps can be useful in many situations. For example, if you copy files from one system to another, the timestamps might not match, causing confusion or issues with backup software. By adjusting the timestamps, you can make sure files appear as if they were created or modified at specific times, helping keep your system organized. Developers might want to set specific timestamps to test how their programs handle files. For instance, if a script sorts files by date, setting the timestamps manually allows testing without waiting for real-time changes. It's also handy for cleaning up files or organizing them based on custom dates, making it easier to find what you need later. In security and forensic work, timestamps can tell a story about file usage. But sometimes, attackers try to hide their tracks by changing timestamps. Knowing how to manipulate these times helps investigators verify or challenge the evidence, or even test how well their detection tools work. Another reason is compliance. Some organizations need files to have certain timestamps for legal or archival reasons. Adjusting timestamps ensures files meet these standards without altering their actual content. The main command used for this is touch. It can update a file's access and modification times to the current moment or set them to a specific date and time with the option. For example, you can set a file's timestamp to January 1st, 2020, at noon by typing touch 200 to 1,011,200 file name. You can also verify the changes with stat or LSL. It's worth noting that most Linux file systems do not store the creation time of a file, unlike some other operating systems. So, the focus remains on access, modification, and change times. This flexibility makes managing files more precise and adaptable to different needs. In short, manipulating Linux file timestamps from the command line is a handy skill. It helps with organizing files, testing software, conducting security checks, and ensuring compliance. It shows how flexible and detailed Linux's file management system really is.